Welcome back. This is an India Today exclusive. 2 weeks ago, we had exposed China's design to colonize Pakistan economically. Now, we reveal the China-Pakistan economic corridor. Beijing slowly taking over Pakistan, including the Pak-occupied Kashmir. India Today is the first and the only channel to go inside the POK to reveal this truth. My colleague Ashraf Wani getting us this exclusive report.
First, India Today revealed Pakistan's surrender of its territory and China's inroads into its economy. Beyond the China-Pakistan economic corridor, Beijing's plan to colonize Pakistan via highways, ports and power projects. Now India Today becomes the only television channel to reach Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, daring to go where no one else has ever gone to show the full extent of China's economic colonization of Pakistan. The mega project to link Kashgar in the Chinese region of Xinjiang with Gwadar goes via Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. As India Today drove along the Neelam River that runs along Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, the Chinese footprint is visible. Less than 100 kilometers from Srinagar, construction of the China-Pakistan economic corridor is on full swing. From the capital Muzaffarabad to Gilgit, as our car made its way out of the narrow by-lanes, the picture became clearer. Big buildings have come up. Roads are similar, if not better, than any urban city. And there are mobile towers everywhere. This appears to be a small hill part of the natural terrain in POK. But a close look reveals the dragon's design. This is a road under construction. Trucks are lined along the area. There is even a big yellow crane stationed there. Pakistan-occupied Kashmir is an area infested with terrorists. It is here that Pakistan trains and launches its proxies to bleed India. Now it is overrun by what Beijing calls the project of the century. While earlier, the China-Pakistan economic corridor was limited to infrastructure projects in Pakistan, China's plan now is to expand to 17 more coal, hydropower and agricultural demonstration projects worth $35 billion. But as Pakistan opens its arms and land for China, residents of Gilgit and Baltistan are up in arms. Some see the China-Pakistan economic corridor as an assault on their livelihoods.
सी पैक बन रहा है, यहाँ दुआ हम खाएंगे, लेकिन पैसे वफाक वाले नीचे पंजाब लोगों को मिलेंगे, हमें कुछ भी नहीं.
Others had hijacked the entire project for his Punjab province.
सी पैक रोड बनने से पहले हमारे आबा व अजदाद ने जमा पूंजी करके कुछ ज़मीन खरीदी थी, जो सी पैक रोड बनाते वक्त वो हमसे ले लिया गया. जो सी पैक रोड बन के अभी आवाम मुतासिर हो गए हैं, जिससे मुआवजा किसी को मिला नहीं. 1.5 साल हुआ है.
And some claim they have been cheated by the government of Pakistan. Their land snatched from them without adequate compensation.
हमारा ज़मीन हुकूमत ने उठा लिया रोड के लिए.
As a sellout, Pakistan ignores the will of its people downright. The anger on the ground is only growing.
सीपे के जो प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, इसमें भी कोई एनवायरमेंटल इम्पैक्ट असेसमेंट नहीं हो रही है, और बस इसके नाम पे जो हमारे इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है, सिक्योरिटी इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है, वो बस जाके ज़मीनों पे एक तरह से कब्ज़ा कर रहे हैं.
The proof of the new China-Pakistan nexus in POK is now out in the open. and it shows that the collusion between the two countries is now assuming sinister dimensions.
Behind me, this is the Pak-occupied Kashmir. During the last 10 years, there has been tremendous change in the infrastructure development, and most part of that has been done by the China. This is worrying for some of the people living here in the Pak-occupied Kashmir, who think probably the development by the China is intentional and they want to grab this part of land from Pakistan as they have done in Aksai Chin. So far, China has not directly put a stake here in the POK. That is worrying for India too. Ashraf Ali, India Today, in Pak-occupied Kashmir.